Retrieving information using a condition in stores. In Stores section, we can retrieve the information stored in the stores using a condition. For example, from the person info store, we can only retrieve those whose last name or first name is equal to a certain value or contains a specific word. Here in the list of methods, as we can see the conditions. Get all where first name equals means that with this condition you can retrieve people in the store whose names are equal to a value. Or the next condition, get all where first name contains, for the case where you want to retrieve the list of people whose name contains a word and not necessarily equal to the same word. The next condition, get all where first name starts with, means that you want to retrieve the list of people whose names start with a word, and the same conditions are available for other information fields. For fields that are of numerical type, more conditions can be observed. For example, for the information field age, we see the information condition age greater than or greater than equals. For example, the get all where age greater than or equals method is for the case where you want to retrieve a list of people whose age is greater than or equal to that number. Here we want to retrieve the list of people using the condition that we put on the last name. We want to use the get all where last name equals condition. For our function, we use a parameter of string type to filter the last name. In the output section for the function of the store, the method get all where last name equals is selected. Using the item block, move the last name parameter value to method. We renamed function to get persons filter by last name, then click save at the end to select the function in the last name section. Then we select the word Taylor. As it is clear from the output, in the results section only people whose last name is Taylor are shown to us. Here we can enter Brown, where there's only one person whose family name is Brown. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tutorials on using appmaker.com.